What's up, guys? It's Eric from Yocaher Skateboards, and today I'm going to be showing one of my favorite picks for cruisers and longboards. This is going to be our lowrider series. So as you can see, the board's going to ride really low to the ground. Once I put it down, you'll be able to see. So this is the In the Pines graphic. It's hard for me to say which is my favorite graphic for the lowriders because we have so many. I like them all, honestly, just because I have so much fun riding these boards. For me, this one's cool. It has like the wood grain on there. I like the purple wheels, you know, just kind of flows together. But we do have so many different options online. So for you to pick out your favorite, you'd have to scour through all of the ones on the internet that we have on our website. But today also, rather than just being my favorite one to ride, today we're gonna teach you how to kind of avoid crashing if you're starting and how to bail safely. And as you know from the videos, I just kind of got into the longboarding. I like cruiser boards. Like I use those to commute sometimes when I'm going back and forth through parking lots, or if I park far away, I'll grab the cruiser board. But let me just go ahead and show you how I bail. It may not be the most professional way. Like I said, I'm still getting into the longboards, so we still have more videos coming out, so you'll see my progression. But on another note, like I was saying, you'll be able to see the lowrider sense. See how the board is only a couple inches off the ground. The board dips down and it comes down, has its concave that locks your feet in, but as you can see, the wood comes down, drops, and we also have the drop through trucks on there. So it's pretty cool. It gives you a little bit more of a turning radius. And yeah, you're only about maybe 2 inches off the ground. That's why I like this one. It looks cool, feels good. And when you feel good, look good, you perform good. So you can't go wrong with the Yocaher stuff. So quick little jump into how to bail. So I know if you're going down a crazy hill, you're gonna want to power slide. I haven't done any of those yet. Enzo's been trying to get me to do that. I might have to fully pad up for that one. Have some like football pads, something like that on for that. But for now, when I need to stop, I do a couple. You can either run it out, just kind of run away from the board and may get ahead of it and then grab it so your board doesn't get damaged. Or if you're going a little slower and you want to just slow down, you can always drag your foot. So I like to drag my back foot. So just take it off, a little drag. That's gonna cause some friction, almost like a brake, and then you're back in. So I gotta stop. Let's right there. And there you go. That's how to stop. The other way, say if you don't feel comfortable dragging the foot, you can just kind of be going and prepare to run it out and just kind of run it out. And that will happen naturally when you first start riding these boards, because it's gonna kind of feel foreign if you're not used to skateboarding or if you're not used to riding cruisers and stuff. It might feel a little weird. So you'll get that down. That's not really anything you need to teach, but just be careful when you're doing it. If you are starting, I'd recommend helmet, pads, the whole nine. But yeah, you can stop like that. Yeah, there's not really too much to that. The big thing, if you do run out of it, you want to make sure your board's not going to go crashing into a curb or anything and damage the wood. But I guess the little brake, that's kind of the thing you could do. Just drag your toe right there. Might take a couple layers off the vulcanized rubber on the shoe, but that's fine. It's these shoes are built to be destroyed. They're skateboard shoes. So yeah, that's gonna be it with our longboard, our lowrider longboard. It's hard to say. So that's gonna be how I stop. And yep, I'm gonna get out of here. So see you guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We have new videos coming out every week. And if you have any requests for any other future videos, you know where to find us.